Y bienvenido. Hello, and welcome to Learning Spanish for Kids Spanish lesson on the five senses, Los Cinco Sentidos. Let's get started. Do you remember the lesson today? Yes, the five senses, Los Cinco Sentidos. Vision. Vision in Spanish is visión. Do you go to the eye doctor and have your vision checked? Five senses. Los cinco sentidos. Hearing. Hearing in Spanish is audición. Do you go to your ear doctor and have your audición checked? If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. You can subscribe. You can subscribe. Does anybody remember what the lesson plan is today? Yes, the five senses, los cinco sentidos. Touch. Touch in Spanish is toque. Oh, beautiful flowers. I love the smell of flowers, but I don't like the smell of trash. Smell in Spanish is olor. If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. You can subscribe. You can subscribe. You've made it to the last 5 cents. Los cinco sentidos. Taste. Taste in Spanish is gusto. Muy bueno. Very good. Wow, you made it to the end. Give yourself a hand clap. And thank you for joining Learning Spanish for Kids for our Spanish lesson on the five senses, Los Cinco Sentidos. If you would like to support us, please follow us on social media, or you can book a class with us today by visiting our website or going to our Facebook fan page. Adios.